Alright, so got the long block, or what's left of it anyways, on the stand. I'll start ripping stuff apart. You can tell the timing cover is boofed. I don't even know why. Like, if it was me and that, I wouldn't have rocked that. Like, if I was the guy, yeah, I would just took it off the previous owner. So we're gonna start pulling stuff apart with this coolant junction BS. Looks like it's a couple 13s and a couple 10s right down there into the block. Alright, so update. Ignore the helicopter, but pretty much stripped down to the entirety of this motor now. We started cleaning up top, but there was a lot of milky substance, which is making us believe that maybe this is just a head gasket issue. Like I said, regardless, we were going to paint the bay and do everything anyways. And it also has head studs in it already, so that saved some money. That's good. So we're gonna clean up a little bit more and pull his head off, I guess. Alright, so even more stripped now. We're gonna pull the cams off, the cam gear off, our plethora of piles, but we, believe it or not, it is organized, at least all the little stuff that needs to be. Tyson just took the oil cooler off, so I guess next is pop these cam caps off, put the cams over here. So I don't know if it's normally this way, but there was no real distinction on which was which. Like, probably doesn't even honestly fucking matter too much, but I just labeled them intake and exhaust, and then we'll just put them there accordingly, keep the cam caps with them, and you know, all that jazz. So I realized after pulling the whole motor apart and everything that I didn't really give you guys a conclusion to that video. So let me give you guys the final update of the teardown. So as you can see, there's not much left of this block. The pistons came out. Everything looks good. The crank looks good. There's no real hot spots. The head, everything looked good. The cams could use like a little bit of a polish and stuff. I don't want to touch all this stuff right now. So what we realized was, see if I can find it. My ringlands, if you can see, come on, are cracked. So I just noticed that with this one, but I had dropped, I think it was cylinder 3. Yeah, so I dropped cylinder 3 on accident when we taking out the block, and we saw this crack, and we're like, oh, it must have just been because I dropped it. But now I was just gonna say that, and I picked that one up, and I could tell that one was cracked. So now, oh, they're all cracked. Every single one of them. Mint. So anyways, that means we need new pistons. I do have a guy who has some pistons for me, but now I'm wondering if I want to go OEM spec or not. Because if my ringlands are fucked, I might want to just go bigger pistons. Or not bigger, but better. Yeah, if you guys could, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.